In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track the best-selling items on eBay in this easy-to-follow tutorial for beginners. If you've ever found yourself unsure about which of your items are the most popular or which merchandise to restock, this guide will help you navigate eBay's tools to make informed decisions. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to access the Performance tab. This is found right after you log into your eBay account. By clicking on Performance, you'll open a selection of reports that give you insight into how your sales are performing. It's a great way to get a big-picture view of what's happening in your store, helping you understand trends and customer preferences. Once under Performance, proceed to click on Sales Reports. This feature will guide you to a more detailed overview of your sales data. After navigating to Sales Reports, the next step is sorting your items by quantity sold. You'll want to locate the section on the report that deals with this specific data. There should be an option to sort the items so that those with the highest sales appear at the top. By organizing your items this way, you get a clear picture of which products are consistently popular. This is an essential step in identifying key patterns in your sales history and can help streamline decision-making for future inventory. Once you have your items sorted, the focus moves to identifying your best sellers. These are the items that have sold in the highest quantities over a specific period. Look closely at what these products are and consider any common features they share, whether it's price point, seasonality, or specific categories. This is an opportunity to reflect on why these items are performing well. Knowing your best sellers helps you understand your market niche and what your customers are looking for. Now that you know what your top performers are, the logical next step is to reorder or relist these popular products. Keeping popular items in stock is crucial to maintaining sales momentum and customer satisfaction. For items that are selling out, ensure you have a sufficient reorder to cover demand. If you're listing products with variations, like different sizes or colors, make sure to adjust your stock accordingly. This not only maximizes your potential sales, but also enhances customer experience by reliably providing items they want. By following these steps, you should now be able to effectively track and manage the best-selling products in your eBay store, enabling smart decisions based on comprehensive sales data. Regularly checking and updating these reports will help you stay ahead of the competition and keep your inventory aligned with market demands. Thanks for joining me on this eBay tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on mastering your e-commerce platform.